Does your carpet need a refresh? A well-maintained carpet can completely transform a room. Hi, I'm Liz, and I'm going to show you how to clean carpet. Let's get into it. Start by clearing the area of any furniture or items on the floor. If the furniture can't be moved, pop some aluminium foil or baking paper under the legs to prevent the timber finish from staining the carpets. If you have curtains, raise them up to give you full access to the carpet and ensures nothing gets in the way. Once the space is clear, it's time to vacuum. A thorough vacuum removes dust, dirt and loose particles, making the next step much more effective. Take your time to go over the carpet in multiple directions to get into the fibres properly. If you've got spots and stains, don't worry, there are off-the-shelf products that can help with spot cleaning. Look for a carpet stain remover that's suitable for your type of carpet. First, do a spot test to check for colour fastness in a hidden area. Leave the cleaner on for a few minutes, then blot with a white cloth or paper towel. If there's no colour left on the cloth, then the carpet is colour fast. If it's all good, apply it as directed onto the stain. Blot gently with a clean cloth and avoid scrubbing, as that can push the stain further into the fibres. Now for a deep clean, a carpet cleaner is your best friend. Before you get started, read the instructions carefully to make sure you know how to operate the machine and use the cleaning solution properly. Add the cleaning solution to the machine as per the directions. Then work in sections, moving slowly to allow the machine to extract dirt and excess water effectively. Squeeze the trigger to release liquid and slowly push forward to clean the carpet. Then release the trigger and slowly pull the machine backwards. Don't rush. Taking your time here ensures the best results. Once you've cleaned the entire carpet, go over it once more with clean water to remove any cleaning solution left over. Open windows or doors to help the carpet dry faster. Stay off the carpet until completely dry to avoid dirt settling into the damp fibres. Once the carpets are dry, consider using a carpet deodorizer to tackle any lingering smells. This will leave your carpet smelling fresh. And there you have it. Clean carpets can make a world of difference in your home. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.